Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. This one won't fit in our photo studio, so we're out here on this beautiful, almost 70-degree March day. And I got a beautiful 71 Chevy pickup truck right here. Now this is a C10, so it was born a two-wheel drive. They did a body off frame restoration. It's a California truck. They put a four-wheel drive chassis under it. This thing is loaded to the gills. 383 stroker motor, 700 R4 overdrive automatic. It's got a new air conditioning system, power steering, power disc brakes, power windows, got a tilt wheel, stereo system. This thing's the bomb. It is clean. We just crawled all around. I had a guy that knows these trucks really well happened to be here, and I had him look at it. He was underneath it just saying, man, is it clean under here. So to get all the specs, go to volocars.com. That's where you find pictures top to bottom and the price. Not only on this one, but we do have a few hundred collector vehicles for sale. If you enjoy watching our videos, subscribe to the YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you will be notified as the new ones are posted. But right now, I guess let's walk around this truck and I'll tell you all about it. First of all, yeah, California body. It is straight, it's rust-free. And I'm going to tell you, this was restored in the early 2000s. This paint job's almost 20 years old and it looks amazing. Like I said, it's straight. It's got long panels. They're not wavy at all. The bottom rockers, the pinch welds are all real nice and clean. Driving over here, I got a little bit of dirt splashed up on it. But this is all really nice and everything fits really nicely. Now it's the custom sport truck according to the sticker. It's still on the glove box. That includes the extra moldings with the wood grain trim, and all the moldings are in really nice shape. The emblems look new. Got some nice stainless mirrors. I told you the glass is their power windows, but the glass is all tinted. Door handles are real nice. It's got new rubber gasket around the back window. The cargo light does work. It's all metal. Some really nice looking wheels too. They're Eagle alloy wheels, aluminum in great shape. Nitto all-terrain tires, and they got a lot of tread left on them. And you can see this wheel well lip, or I can see it, is nice clean metal. I forgot to tell you about the underside. The floors and frame are just smooth, clean, dry metal. It's got the lifted spring kit. It also has airbags in back that are adjustable. It's got polyurethane bushings. It has Rancho adjustable gas shocks front and back. And it looks like all the components were apart. You know, all the nuts and bolts and components are all clean and painted. And they function really well. It's got a nice Flowmaster exhaust that you'll hear in a few minutes when we fire it up. And this does have a 10,000-pound hitch receiver with the round 6-point plug-in, and it also has trailer brakes inside that's adjustable. And you got airbags with the air hose. You can fill it up to adjust it if you're going to be pulling something or loading something. So tailgate's in excellent shape. It's got the wood grain trim. This is all real nice. Chrome bumpers. That's part of the sport truck, the custom sport truck package. There are no dents all the way around. There's no dents. The floor doesn't have any dents. The floor is sprayed with a bed liner, so it's real durable. The tailgate's in mint condition. A little chip here in the paint. Now, I don't know how to open it. Oh, there we go. If you remember, the fuel tanks used to be behind the seat. This has been relocated. It's a custom fuel tank in between the frame rails. So this door was custom made. Doesn't look like the factory did it. They did a great job. There is a real mild door dimple here. I'll have the dent guy see if he can remove it. They put 383 emblems on here. And the chrome bumper in front was optional. It has some nice tow hooks. The grill is in really nice shape. It's not perfect because there's like a hairline mark here or there, but in really nice shape. The engine compartment's fantastic. Look how smooth the metal is. The core support inner fenders are smooth satin black. The firewall and under the hood's gloss red. But that is a 383 stroker motor, Edelbrock intake, Edelbrock carb. It has an MSD ignition system. It's a billet distributor with HEI ignition. It's a new heat and air conditioning system. I think it's called old car auto air or something like that. The specs are on our website. It has power steering, power brakes, and all the components. I'm looking at the steering column, the washer bottle's hooked up, the alternator, the fan shroud. Everything is proper and tidy, and everything just looks right. It does have a transmission cooler up here in front of the radiator. We're going to take you inside. I love the flashlight even, but it has the deluxe door panels. They're the embossed door panels, the handle, the armrest, all that looks real nice. Power windows were added, and they're actually quite fast. I'm assuming there's speakers maybe behind that panel. There's also kick panel speakers. It's a retro stereo that fits right in the dash, and there's a subwoofer behind the seat. The door jambs are real nice. The weather strips are real nice. It has Chevy bowtie sill plates. The instrument bezel has been replaced, and there are some updated gauges and tachometer. Walnut wheels on a tilt column. They even changed the indicator for the overdrive setting. And the dash pad, the mirror, the visors look new. It has the optional headliner. The interior light's working. The seat upholstery is real nice. Carpet's new. I looked up under the dash, and the firewall pad is new. The wiring harness is new. It's updated with a push-in fuse block. We're going to fire it up now. And the chrome vents are new. Boy, that runs nice. That's 500-600 RPM at an idle. $50 pounds of oil pressure at an idle. Got disc brakes in front with stainless steel braided hoses. To be honest with you, I'm not a big fan of big, long bed, lifted up trucks, but I am now. I really like this truck, just the whole package, the quality, the list of options, the look, the colors, everything about this truck. It's tastefully done, it's well done. It's an excellent truck. Someone's gonna be really happy with this one. That's my impression of this truck. If you have specific concerns or questions, go to volocars.com. There's plenty of ways to contact our salesmen. They'll answer whatever questions you have. They'll make the delivery and financing and paperwork real easy for you. Go to volocars.com. If you enjoy watching the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be the first to see the next one that's posted. Now I'm gonna go for a ride.